We have an equation that we're trying to solve, so we're going to definitely bust out that PEMDAS, but we're going to do it in reverse because we're trying to undo what was done. This problem, I'm going to look and say, is there anything on this side of the equation to add or subtract? There is not. Is there anything to multiply or divide? I see a 2 here. I should divide both sides by that 2. So this becomes x to the 3/5 power equals 54 divided by 2, which quick calculation could tell you is 27. And now I need to get rid of this exponent, which I will use the reciprocal power for. So this is 3/5. I'm going to say 5/3. I'm going to say 5/3 on both sides. 3/5 times 5/3 multiply to make 1, effectively canceling the power on that side. And then to calculate 27 to the 5/3, I want to think about what multiplies by itself 3 times to make 27. That would be 3. I'm going to take that 3 to the 5th power to get an answer of 243. I am going to do a quick check on my math and make sure that this answer does make sense. So if I were to take 2 times 243 to the 3/5, this is the kind of thing you can go ahead and pop it in your calculator if you want to, or you could think about what multiplies by itself 5 times to give you 243, which would be 3. Take that to the 3rd power to get 27. Multiply that by 2 to get positive 54, which is what we were supposed to get. So this answer does work, and it's just a matter of using PEMDAS in reverse and understanding that one way to get rid of an exponent is to use the reciprocal exponent. So you always keep this in mind, going backwards, one step at a time. Good luck.